Hey guys, welcome to Smartphone Fan. And now I'll bring you the Doogee S96GT, the new upgraded edition of Doogee S96. This is the S96 is Doogee's and also the world's first smartphone with night vision features. So this is the it's a surprise. So this is the upgrade edition of the S96 series. So today I'm going to show you what's inside this new model and what's inside these books, and we will have a quick talk on the new specifications about this model. And also first we will talk about the book's appearance, then about the camera, the processor, the battery, the screen, and the other main features that I will mention, that I think I should mention. And this time we got the S96GT, the 8GB RAM plus 256GB ROM edition. And as we can see, Doogee, they just redesign their box of the S series. And so this time we also have the classical yellow box with yellow color books with the black brand name and the black slogan and the black sticker. Okay, so next I'm going to open it and I'm going to show you what's inside these books. So here, after we unbox it, okay, after we open it, we can find the smartphone was in a soft plastic bag. Before we check smartphone, let's go to the accessories first. Okay, so this time they have a new design here, new design on the stuff inside these books. Before is we have not have a box like this. I mean, so this time they have a new design on this part. And okay, under the smartphone we can find a screen protector and the wipers for us to the professional screen cleaner paper, a warranty card, user manual, and also here are the main accessories. Here is the it's the charger, and as we can see, they change the color from black to white, the white charger. Okay, this is the charger. And also this time they have a 24-watt fast charging, and also the SIM card slot opener, ejector of the Waterdrop phone, because most of the Waterdrop device will be well protected because it's IP68 ratings, so the stoppers is well fixed very well and well protected from it, stop the water from outside. So it's a white cable, and also they have a it's a rope. Yes, so this is the rope and the string. Okay, so this is all the stuff inside these books. So first let's put all this stuff and accessories aside and go directly to the smartphone. Okay, so now let's get the smartphone here. So here finally the smartphone is in front of us. As we can see, it's just inherit the Doogee S96 Pro's design. It's similar design like the S68, N96 and S96 Pro. And this time they have a new slogan for this smartphone. It's cleaner, faster, and more rugged. So we will find the main upgrade from this site, cleaner, and it means it have a cleaner night vision, 20 megapixel, faster. It have a new chips for this phone. It have a MediaTek Helio G95. the octa core and support maximum to 2.1 GHz, and this is a 12 nm producing chips and also logic. And from the official website, we know that over 50% of the back cover was made of metal, so it can do it will protect. So here, after the main introduction of this phone, I'm going to show you the experience. And this time, as we can see, they continues the design of the S96 Pro, the world's first smartphone with night vision camera. And also this phone is have the same design. Here we can find it's have a quad camera, and also it's have a LED flashlight here and here, and also it's have a night vision sensor, infrared, Immersive. And also this time they changed the color from the normal gray to the golden black color. Also here we can find the icons like battery, the water, the ice, or the shockproof. Also here is have the NFC and the wireless charger. Yes. Also IP68, so it's have the very rugged element, lots of rugged element on the back cover of this phone. Also we can find the corners are well enhanced and well protected, and also the stopper here and the hook here. So also the frame is metal, so mainly it's have the same design, but also they change something like the color of the frame. Yes, it's this time it's the golden, so it's more unique, and it's a unique color. It's a limited sunshine golden edition from their official website, we know they call it, and the standing color combination in the noble golden tone with black birdie. So the golden combination with the black part makes it more attractive. So unique as well. And also this time they did a upgrade on the processor, so it's more faster as well. Yes, we checked the design from different angles. Actually it's same like the S96 Pro, 6 Pro and 6, so just released. And this is about design. And then let's go to the camera part. Cleaner. They say it's more cleaner because this time they have a quad camera system. The main one is 48 megapixel main camera. And also it's have an AI camera, and also 2 megapixel portrait camera, and also the 8 megapixel wide angle 130 degrees, and also Sony 20 megapixel night vision camera. So and also for the front one, it's have a 32 megapixel Samsung front camera, and for the night vision, it's enhanced. Now it's a 20 megapixel Sony IMX350 ultra light sensitive sensor. Compared to the night vision of the S96 Pro and 96 GT, it continues to upgrade the configurations. It's equipped with 4 enhanced infrared light, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's have a enhanced infrared light, 4 LED light. The night vision of the S96GT can capture cleaner at 2 times of the distance. So this is the enhanced part to say it's more cleaner. Yes. And also about the camera, yes, the Samsung AI quality camera always will provide you a good shooting experience at day or night. Yes, so this is good. You will not miss any moment, and you can capture any moment. And also it supports the 4K movies. Flagship is a flagship level ultra clean camera. it can provide 4K yes video shooting experience, and also it have a 130 degrees ultra wide angle 8K wide angle cameras. So this is nice, and also for the Samsung 32 megapixel AI self camera, so it's also very good. Can provide good selfie experience. It's not only it's only larger devices, but also for the camera part is also good. And also about this time for the larger features is also provide the IP68, IP69K, and also military standard 810. Yes, as you can see, here are some icons. You can find it. It's more robust military grade craftsmanship and durability. So this is also good for this part. And also it have underwater shooting, waterproof, underwater shooting, customized key, dust proof. Yes, we can find the information through the frames. Dust proof, waterproof. Also this customized key buttons. Yes, so this is more larger. And also the next part we will talk about the screen. And for this time, okay, I'm going to turn on the smartphone and show you the screen. Okay, now let's wake up the screen, and now here you can find it's have a Waterdrop camera and Waterdrop screen. So this time it's have a 6.22 immersive Waterdrop screen, and the resolution is 720 5020, and this support 270 ppi, and also it can provide 16.7 million colors. Screen to body ratio is 19:9, and its contrast of the screen is 1000:1. So it's also for the screen is also a Corning Gorilla screen. Yes, and also for this phone, it can support the 10 fingers touch control, so it can get very good gaming and touching experience when you use it to play games or to do lots of walkers. It can provide accurate and smooth experience on this part. And also for the RAM and ROM, this time they provide 8GB RAM plus 256GB ROM with the both. It supports Samsung UFS memories, and also as I mentioned, this have a enhanced processor. It's Helio G95, so it can provide more high-end specification on the processor. It will not let you your experience is bad, and it will not delay your when you play games. Not too big games, it will not let you delayed or slowly on this part. And also for the battery, this time is have a big battery as well. And for the batteries, I have a 6350 big battery, and it support 15 watt wireless charging and 24 watt fast charging. So for battery, for larger device, it support fast charging and wireless charging is good on this part. And also it's a big battery, so for the big battery is the main features, the main advantages of the larger devices. And also for the 24 watt fast charger system makes this phone can be very powerful, and you can charge it, and you can use it in outdoors for long time, and you can also choose this as your backup smartphone as well. It's very useful for the big batteries. And also the other features I think I should mention is that here is the customized key. You can customize it, and also here is the fingerprint and the bow fingerprint and side fingerprint recognition. And you can use to side fingerprint to unlock the smartphone, and also you support face unlock as well. So it's very convenient. So it can support different way to unlock the smartphone. and also it support NFC, and here I showed you. And also it have a Google Play as well. So also this phone, I'm going to show you the settings. It support Android 12 here. About the phone, we can get the details of the smartphone here. Device name, system update, storage, Android system, and the processor. Okay, no processor information. Sorry. So this is the information about this phone. Yeah, so this is the very quick, very simple unbox video about this device. It's very fast, and we just talk on the specifications, we just talk on the designs, and hope you like it. You can check more details, more deep review videos on the waterproof, dustproof, shockproof, and also the camera part and navigation part in my next videos. And thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned. Let's waiting for more cool gadgets from here as well. Thanks. Bye bye.